Guys, I want to show you how you can withdraw on Chile, but let me just go straight to the point. You click on in. This is my in. So if I want to withdraw, then I click on withdraw shilling. Then I click on max. This is what I want to sell. Then according to my currency is Naira, which is NGN. This is the Nigerian flag. So I click on max again. So this is happening here. This is bank transfer. So I'm going to leave it on bank transfer, and that's the only option there. So while you scroll down, you are going to see the amount you receive because there's a certain percentage commission they used to collect. That won't cover up for tax and other things that I might not really know. So I click on confirm sale, which is this. Okay, it's redirecting me to, so they're asking me to put my details here. Okay. When I finished filling up the details, I clicked on confirm. As you can see, they said it's going to take 70 up to 72 hours. So on the next page, once you click confirm, it will take you here, which is other details. And you can also see here the payout time up to 72 hours. And but guess what? This is my Pampe, which I put. Like if you are used to Pampe, you know this Pampe. So I'm clicking on transaction history right now. This is my transaction history, and you can see interbank transfer, which is received from Hydrogenco Cora Pay, 9,228 naira. Let's go back to the app. How much did they say I'm going to receive? 9,228 naira. So guys, Cheelee pays. Cheelee pays. Wallahi, Cheelee pays. And if you are new on Cheelee, I'm going to drop my referral link on this video. So wherever you are seeing it, either on YouTube, on Facebook, anywhere, any of the social media. So I'm going to drop my referral link. And also I'll be making more videos to explain how you can use Cheelee properly, because I've actually taken my time to understand the app. So this is how the apps look like. So I'm going to be explaining more and more things. Okay, so don't forget to like, follow my page, subscribe my YouTube channel, and like on my videos, and also share to your friends in case they are also lost on guidance. So like I said, I'm going to be making more videos on explaining on how to use Cheelee properly and to understand it. All right, see you guys on my next video. Okay.